Hi friends, today I am going to give an in-depth review of product called Traffic Beast, which is going to be launched by Mr. Glenn Kosky on 13th May. As usual, don't forget to watch my amazing bonuses, which give definite value to you. Uh, Hi friends, today in this review I am discussing how generally traffic the concept works. Next, in contrary to the general principle of the traffic, how actually traffic beast is different. So I will let you know how actually traffic beast is based upon what principle. So they claim that it is the beast of all traffic apps of online and has done all the hard work for you. So let us see what exactly it is. Then I am going to show you the sales page, uh, the funnel and the benefits. As usual, the awesome bonuses would be present to you, which actually would definitely add value to any offer whenever I am trying to review. Then we will go and see the members area, the dashboard, and everything. So let us come to how traffic works in general. I'll show you one pic. See, in general, the traffic works on the concept like whenever somebody is trying to attract traffic or generate traffic for them, so they will create a squeeze page, the landing page, along with the lead magnet. Then it will go to a thank you page. Then there, whoever the customer will enter their name or mail ID and everything. So after downloading that, actually you will get this their contact details or email thing. Then you will do a email series follow up. You will follow up through the email series, or otherwise there is another thing. Generally people would create a landing page uh, through a lead magnet. Then uh, whenever you press that lead magnet, it will go to a offer direct link. Then post that, actually follow up happens. So in general, traffic as a concept actually is based on these two methods. One is to the lead, creating a squeeze page, a thank you page, and then following the email series. The second is the lead squeeze page through lead magnet, then directly offer and follow. Now, beast is based on the principle on a different concept. Here, what they are saying that as in the first step, you create a squeeze page, you offer a lead magnet, but here instead of generally offering instead of thank you page or a direct link to product, here offer a product which is of free value. Generally this product would be of a lower, the front end offer sort of thing, where the free value. And you, if somebody likes this front end, they will go for an upgrade, and you will get commission for this upgrade. If at all it is not, they are not buying anyway, you will capture the their details. The follow up will happen in parallel. So only thing is that now this app, because through this app you will get a product access whose upgrades would give you commissions. So the whole traffic beast is based on this concept. uh, let us go to sales page, how exactly it is looking. Traffic based sales page. In the first page, it's a brand new first to market app plus a system for 2021. In the next 60 seconds, 100% done for you super affiliate system with free buyer traffic from 800 million visitors. So as everybody claims, it's a free traffic one button system. We use this to make thousands in commissions per day. No experience is required. And what their benefits or other, what they claim, it's a free buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds. Tap into secret source of 800 million affiliate buyers. 100% done for you system, designed and made for beginners, brand new tech for 2021. Work from home starting today, achieve financial freedom, quit your job, travel, enjoy, stop falling, finally break through, no monthly fees ever, and look at this, how confident they are. 180-day money back. Now I'll show you the what my bonus page when I prepared. Same. So it's a 200 plus traffic source from one single platform. Software creates automated money links, blast your link to all traffic sources at the same time. Generate commissions from multiple high converting offers. It's a pre-approved for everything, no waiting. Generally we need to wait, either whenever you are applying for a affiliate link, actually you need to wait. Now they are providing a pre-approved system where direct offers would be there with your affiliated link. You just need to promote. 100% done for you traffic and commission system, completely beginner friendly, zero tech skills required, previous experience needed, zero maintenance cost, proven results, generate sales on demand, world class training included. Now let us go and watch the funnel. The funnel looks like this. The front end offer is $17. The first OTO 1 is $67. OTO 2 is $97. OTO 3 is again $97. OTO 4 is $67. OTO 5 ATM, which is called 197, and OTO 6 is ultimate, again once and now $97. There and upsell 7, they are giving license rights $67. So here they are the benefits: free buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds, tap into secrets of 800 secret source of 800 million affiliate buyers, 100% done for you. It's the same repeated here. So we have seen how exactly the traffic beast is based on what principle. We have seen the sales page, we have seen the funnel. Now let us go to my bonuses. What bonuses I am giving you? As usual, whatever the bonus which we have selected will complement the offer, and it will add value to, or otherwise it will complement, it will add value to the bonus, general offer, the main offer. The first bonus which I am going to give you is Access Nova, a full funnel, and mind you, it's only for first 12 hours. The second bonus is again around $47 worth of value. It's a 40 high quality lead magnets to build your list. So this is a traffic app, and I am also giving you bonus to, which is to how to build a lead magnets. And the third bonus is around 344 value. It is 5 email marketing tips for high conversion. So after capturing contact details of the visitor, you need to follow up. Then you need some tips how to do a better email marketing. So we are providing as a bonus. The bonus tutorial 4 is Access Lazy Traffic Sniper. This is one of the latest app actually launched by Jono Armstrong, which is actually got a Quora app. So it's untapped Quora market. This lazy traffic sniper is targeted on Quora market, Quora app. Along with this, as usual, the special bonus is vendor bonuses. So let us go and watch how the members area is looking. So this is the dashboard. We are in Traffic Beast members area. This is the dashboard. Here in-depth tutorials for how actually Traffic Beast works. I'll show you the first video. As I said, this
talking about what Traffic Beast is and the whole system.
So how Traffic Beast works in the first video they have given. The second is how to set up the Traffic Beast. In this video, how we talk about how complete your campaign. So you will get all the affiliates for as a free access would be given. Know which you need to promote in the campaign. So here the third they are talking about how to integrate. See, you have an offer, you have you have a link for Apple offer. Now you need to campaign, and that for that actually you require an auto responder. So this third video explain you how to integrate auto responder. Then after integrating, you need to you generally require to promote these offers, no? So how to promote these offers through social media? So here I think you can see, I'll show you.
Welcome back to Traffic Beast in social campaigns. So if we just jump across campaign on the view button, so we can just take a page, or your options. So we've literally got,
so it will,
hundreds.
So look at this. It will give us hundreds of traffic sources where you can directly promote through this dashboard itself. Then how to use images, how to create affiliate campaigns using upgrades, conversion booster bonus, and everything in there. There is a done for you bonus link. There is a social images how to use. Here they have given a provision for Warrior Plus database where you need to direct, instead of going to Warrior Plus members area. All links have been updated in this is the traffic based. So what they claim is around 200 free traffic sources have been given, instead of an general practice of traffic. How to generate traffic has been modified little bit with the free access to the front end, and through upgrades you would get the commissions. So this is one. We will go to bonus page again. We will review, we will summarize what we had. So it's a what they claim, it's 100% done for you super affiliate system. Next 60 seconds you will and tap around 800 million visitors. The main benefits are 200 plus traffic sources from one single platform. Software creates automated step, blast your link to all traffic sources. Again, I am showing you the funnel. These are the 7 funnels, 7 upgrades are there for the main front end. These are the benefits and the bonuses. The number 1 is Access Nova full funnel. Second is 40 high quality lead magnets. Third is email marketing tips. The fourth is the lazy traffic sniper and the vendors. So I hope actually this review will definitely help you in making a decision to purchase this one of the best product again in the market, which is going to be launched by Glenn Kowiski on 13th of May at 10 a.m. EST. Please, to get the bonuses link, you have to click the link below. I think you will definitely like the bonuses I am going to offer, and thank you.